Rain, rain, go away.
Anna woke up and heard the drip dropping of raindrops on her window. Pitter, patter, says the falling rain. Pitter, patter on my window pane. Oh, Anna thought, I wanted to play outside today. Carter and I were going to practice doing cartwheels. I wish that rain would go away. So Anna sang, Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Anna went downstairs to eat breakfast. She had a bowl of cereal and watched the rain beat down against the kitchen window. Pitter, patter, says the falling rain. Pitter, patter on my window pane. Anna's mom looked outside and she sang, Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. The windshield wipers were busy all the way to school. Swish, 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 swish. Anna and Carter looked out the classroom window and listened to the rain drip dropping on the glass. Pitter, patter, says the falling rain. Pitter, patter on my window pane. Anna and Carter sang, Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. At recess, Anna and Carter put on their coats and boots and went outside in the rain. Hey, Anna, said Carter, watch me. I'm going to do a cartwheel in the rain. Carter did it. He did a cartwheel right through a puddle. Splash! Anna thought that if Carter could do a cartwheel in the rain, she could too. And she did. Splash! After recess, the rain was still drip-dropping on the window of the classroom. Pitter, patter, says the falling rain. Pitter, patter on my window pane. But this time, the kids sang,